I love you with my heart, with my soul, with every fiber of my entire being. How are you feeling right now, beautiful soul? I'm feeling immense gratitude. I don't know about you, but it's a rarity in this country called England to have sunshine and blue skies. There's a few wispy clouds around, but all in all, it's a beautiful day. So my heart is wide open. I am extremely grateful for the blessings that the universe has bestowed upon these sacred lands of England. Wherever you are on the planet, my heart goes out to you. I love you unconditionally. Today I want to share with you a light language transmission to clear any abundance blocks. What stops us from flowing into our most extraordinary version of who we are in this physical 3D reality is the programming that we have inside of us. Our body becomes addicted to certain chemicals. Those chemicals are released when certain situations and events arise, and the body reacts, the mind reacts. The mind and the body are intrinsically linked. Chemicals are released, whether those chemicals are chemicals that have been released after someone's rejected you, or you felt guilty, or maybe you felt unworthy. Maybe you've gone into fear of some sort. I mean, all of these underlying low vibrational frequencies are based around fear. Fear is the underpinning essence of it all. Because at the other end of the spectrum of fear, you have unconditional love. So you always get to choose one of the two in any given moment, fear or love. Fear or love. Which one you're going to choose? Now, a lot of this programming that's happening inside of our consciousness is subconscious, unconscious. We're unaware of it. And we go on these journeys deep inside of ourselves. Maybe it's through psychotherapy, maybe it's through healing, maybe through meditation. There's lots of different ways to tap into the realities that are underpinning the things that are holding you back and stopping you moving forward and keeping you in repetitive cycles, always going back to groundhog, waking up and going through it all over again. You leave the husband or the wife and then you find yourself in the same sort of relationship. You build the business, it falls apart, you're back to square one. It happens in all different elements and aspects of life, and it can become very frustrating. It can make most human beings lose faith in themselves, in others. I mean, really and truthfully, you've only got yourself to hold responsible. I've only got myself to hold responsible. All of these underpinning realities or blocks from past lives or parallel realities, and sometimes this reality too, but this reality is usually just the tip of the iceberg, because everything's parallel, everything's quantum, and the quantum space is infinite. And our light body, our essence, our soul, our spirit, whatever you want to call it, is having other experiences in other frequency bands, realities, dimensions, densities, again, whatever you want to call it, in other quantum spaces. So what we need to do, because we as humans or souls are vibration. We're quite dense in this reality, so we seem physical, but in other realities, we're a lot lighter in our vibration, and we seem metaphysical, light, information. Now, when you go into that information, when you go into the frequency, it's vibration, it's rhythm. So, if you want to shift something at a deep level of superconsciousness, you've got to hit it where it started, and that is with rhythm and vibration. We are like instruments, like musical instruments, and when the universe plays us, music flows through us. Now sometimes that music is beautiful and we feel high vibrational emotions. Sometimes the rhythm of the universe, because of our vibration in the moment, we attract things that aren't so positive and the music isn't so pleasant. The thoughts, the emotions, the chemicals, the addiction, it's not so pretty. Now, what I want to do is share this light language transmission with you. It's short and sweet, but it's going to hit you deeply. I want you to open your heart in this space with me right now. Open it. Take 3 nice long deep breaths right down into the pit of your stomach. Breathe into your hips, your buttocks, your groin. Breathe into your legs, your ankles, your feet, your toes. Breathe deeply. You are incredible, beautiful soul. You can close your eyes or you can keep your eyes open. It doesn't make any difference. Take those nice long 3 deep breaths and continue to breathe. Feel your body. Connect with me in this present moment. Connect with yourself. You and I are the same being. We're both light, we're both frequency. Geometrical codes. We may look a little different. Maybe we're different sexes, but underneath, we're vibration. So let's connect at that level. The truth level. The only level that really matters. The only space that really exists. Breathe deeper and deeper. I want you to communicate with your heart. I want you to open your heart wider and wider and see a platinum ball of light inside of your heart grow out past the boundaries of your physical body and create a sphere around you. 360 degrees all around. Breathe deeper and deeper and see this platinum ball expand out past your fields until you're inside this platinum sphere. And I want you to communicate with the platinum sphere and tell the platinum sphere that you're ready to release any blocks that are stopping you moving forward and receiving abundance in this reality right now. I want you to communicate with the platinum sphere and tell it to connect you with the deepest root points, the deepest root trigger throughout all time and space, across all dimensions, densities and frequency bands that is stopping you receiving abundance now in this reality. And continue to breathe. Open your heart. Let's connect heart to heart in this space. Feel. Tuna shikia nanahu tia shakulia moataya tunia shikunia kananaha toto shikia. Usta ashta riniana na hutia moakiliana na kia tota shikinia no utia. Holololo hukimia to shamuanen kia. Hashta playalaya tona Syrian kuole muetiakta. Istunia tenia no kuate shiki. Haku lepu tonia kanana hanana kia na kia to shikia. Ishta. Unaka pueto shamuale anakata moakia tanana hiata kutia. Istua moakia na kuna kanaka. Astulia pota kriata tukum wakunoeta. Ista ukieni kutuna ka moalia na koto shikiata kiata hukoania moala katana ktoelia to shikia huye puana shikia. Ustamata uti. Open your heart wider Allow this frequency to flow into your heart. Allow this frequency to flow through your heart, out the back of your heart chakra, into this platinum sphere. You'll see the light travel around. Hana kono shikoa, hata shinienia oluma kia toa, akana kana kana, hutiana nakana, hustuma kana, hiatona kana, hikia la kuna kana, huti kana na shiku. Ha shiku. Ishta hulelelekua. Lyra nuata akachuria muestunia kitu shakupana. Astulia hamana nahulia muata katostu tutuakatata. Hustinia. Hulia mua tanana katatata ukia. Ishtikienia tua hakua. Hustia mua leatsana. Hu kananakia tata uku. Ishtamana na hustu kana ishtakana. Breathe into your body. Breathe deeper and deeper. I want you to stay in this space for another 5 to 10 minutes, whatever feels right for you. Be inside this platinum ball. When you feel it's time, I want you, with your intention, to shrink that platinum ball back inside of your heart until it dissolves inside of you. I want you to go through this process every day for the next 18 days. It's very important. This is day number 1. You've got 17 more days to go. This is going to shift you at a deep, deep level. And the universe is going to start to respond because your vibration is going to shift exponentially. Trust you. Don't believe me. Trust you, beautiful soul. Feel this. You know the truth. It's why you're listening to me right now. It's why you watched this video in the first place. It's how you found it. I love you unconditionally. You deserve to live a free, sovereign life. You deserve to have everything that this 3D reality has to offer you. You deserve to experience being human in every single way. Follow this. 18 days, things will shift. In 18 days' time, I want to hear your comments underneath this video. I want to know about your transformation. You are extraordinary. A starseed here on Earth, a planetary guardian here to raise your vibration and the vibration of the planet and your fellow sisters and brothers, so we as a family can expand and ascend together as one light, one force, one code. I love you with my heart, with my soul, with every fiber of my entire being. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please share these videos with your friends and your family, your loved ones. They need to hear this. They deserve to hear this. If you're watching it on Facebook, like it and share it. Together, as a unit, as a tribe, we really can make a difference. Please check out our website, starmagichealing.com. Your awesome, beautiful soul, wherever you are on the planet, hug tightly. Never be the first to let go. Go out into this world and love fiercely. Whatever your fellow brothers and sisters are throwing at you, your family, your friends, strangers, love them. Love them deeply, fiercely, ferociously. Let your vibration carry you. You're amazing. I'll see you again real soon. One love, one heart, one human family. Peace out.